Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw your eyebrows perfectly, and I hope you learned something from this one. And before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's do it. Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to use the H&M Brow Specialist. So on the other side, it has a pencil, and on the other side, there's a spoolie. Normally, I bend it like this, so it's easier for me to brush my eyebrows like this, like that. So what's nice about this pencil is that it's creamy, it's easy to apply, and it lasts all day. So for drawing your eyebrows, what you need to do first is to measure the distance between each eyebrows. So I normally do this like that, and the other side like that. This and the end here. There you go. So now that you have measured everything, you have to make an outline. So just draw a light stroke like this one. Outline your eyebrows. Draw it lightly. And this one. There you go. And you have to just do the same thing on the other side. Lightly, and now that you have the outline, all you have to do is just fill it up. So just fill inside the lines, and do a very light stroke like this. Fill it up lightly. You just brush it lightly to blend it. Very lightly. So just brush it just to blend all the lines that you have filled up. There. See? So now that they're even, I usually use a small brush like this for concealer, and we are going to clean the sides, this one, and to also highlight the eyebrows. So you just put a little of the product. I'm actually using Maybelline Fit Me in the color Sun Sable. So get a little and then draw it outside of the line that you had drawn earlier. The other side too. There you go. And then once you have applied it, you have to also put some on the top. Outline it. Do it at the same side, at the other side. There you go. So there. So you have to blend it well to make it look natural. Like that. There it goes. So just make sure that there's no harsh line when you're blending it. There you go. And make sure that the colors blend well with the color of your skin, just to make it look natural. So sometimes I use the blending brush there, pat go. There. So now you have the perfect eyebrow. And it, push it. There you go. So for those who doesn't know how to draw yet a perfect arc, I normally teach my friends and my cousins how to draw. You can practice on your hand. So you just do this, draw an outline like that, on how you want the eyebrow to look like. There you go. Practice on the back of your hand, like this, and you fill it up. So that's how you do it. There. Do it as often as you can, so you could get used to drawing the art, and then you can practice on your eyebrows. So that's it for our makeup tutorial today. If you like this video and you find it useful, please don't forget to click subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye guys!